It's Fun Fact Friday.
Fun fact. Hiccups happen when your tummy and breathing muscles get confused. That's why your body makes that silly hic sound.
Exactly. Hiccups happen when the diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly tightens or spasms. This makes your vocal cords close quickly, creating that hic sound. Eating too fast, laughing, or drinking fizzy drinks can sometimes trigger hiccups too.
Thanks for watching my Fun Fact Friday.